In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Microsoft Teams program. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to change your language in Microsoft Teams program, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Then head over to people here once you are in your account. From here, now you should see a settings gear. Go ahead, click, and from here, go to general. Now under general, if you scroll down, you can see you have an option for language and regional format. If you wish to change this to your own preferred language, first you can just turn this on and start your Microsoft Teams, and it will switch to the language according to the region where you are. However, if you wish to set your language manually, then turn off this option here and then go to the language, where you can see, if you click on this drop down, you will see quite a number of languages that you can choose from. From this, now select your preferred language, and now you should see your language here. Once you're done, now click on save and restart to apply these changes. So that's how you can change your language in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.